Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pastrami and corned beef have different cooking methods. Pastrami is smoked over hardwood, oftentimes with a pan of water nearby, which helps create steam and keep the meat moist. It's then cooled and then steamed before serving. 13 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is cured in brine, coated with a mix of spices such as garlic, coriander, black pepper, paprika, cloves, allspice, and mustard seed, and then smoked. Finally, the meat is steamed until the connective tissues within the meat break down into gelatin.
Take our lead.
Pastrami has 41 calories, 2 grams of fat, 1 saturated, 248 milligrams of sodium, and 6 grams of protein per ounce. It's not a bad meat for you, and rye is one of the best breads because it's whole grain. Plus the house-made mustard adds flavor with minimal sodium and no fat. 26 November 2012.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.